AUDUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about Australian dollar versus US dollar. So before I start this technical analysis, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, press the bell notification if you're new here. And by the end of the video you will see the difference that why you're supposed to subscribe and like, because what I am doing for free, first of all, this costs thousands of dollars. You have to join some $1,000 program first, and then they will do this maybe one-to-one or online session. So you know how these things work. For now, I'm not saying something is wrong. Okay, I'm not saying if somebody is charging you thousands of dollars, that is wrong. No. What I am doing is also worth thousands of dollars, but for now, I'm doing it for free. Okay, so let's see for how long I will do it. It's up to me. And so you make sure subscribe and like. Okay, and then we have some links below the video. The first link says make money on autopilot with forex trading. So if you're a newbie, okay, if you're a newbie who don't want to learn in all this manual stuff, manual forex trading, it's complicated, trust me. Okay, not everybody can learn manual trading, so it's complicated. If you want to do something on automation by using a software, click on this link, come onto this page, check out all these proofs here. All this money was made by that software in the back end. It doesn't mean that you have to just sleep. You need to know which settings to give. Okay, so this is a full course on automation. In case you are interested as a newbie, you can go and check it out. Second link says join free Telegram. So click on this link, join my Telegram channel if you want some free signals every now and then. And it says, third link says check out best prop firm and forex brokers. Click on that link, come to this page, and you can join the prop firm here. If you have the talent, if you have the skills of trading, but you don't have enough money to start, then you can go and join the prop firm, pass the challenge, and I am giving you only one prop firm, which is the best. Okay, it doesn't accept US Canadian citizens, I guess, but it accepts rest of the world. So you can check your luck. Click on this link and see if they accept you. Trust me, they're genuine. They had been there since like 15 years or so, or maybe 10 years. But this is the number one prop firm. Okay, I'm not advertising it. I'm just giving you my authority. TubeCore means trust. Get it done. And if you have your own money, then you can sign up with these brokers and deposit your money and get started. Get started with your trading journey. Okay, so go and check out these links in your free time. Now coming back to the AUDUSD. Now what I do normally is I wait for the daily candle to close. For example, today is 22nd of April. So in next 2 hours, okay, in 2 hours the US dollar daily candle will close, or rather the US market will close. Okay, which means this candle will close. So on 22nd this candle is red. Okay, now before that, disclaimer is that my videos are for educational purposes only, and I don't take responsibility for your profits and losses. However, in the future I will send I will share a deposit donation link. You could say whatever link. I will share a deposit link below my videos, in which if you make profits from my videos, you can send me my share as per your will. Whatever you want to send me. If you made any money, okay, if you made any money from my videos, send me some money as per your likings. I want to see how thankful people are. Or nobody's gonna come after you asking money. I just want to see how people actually treat me. Okay, so starting with the those people who are scalpers, 5 minutes, 15 minutes traders, guys, I don't have any entry exit signals for you, but you can use my video for long-term analysis and then decide your positions. Okay, starting with weekly. What do we have in weekly? In weekly we have so we know that weekly is now towards the uptrend. Okay, so this was the downtrend. This candle eaten this, then blue candle eaten all this. Okay, so we are clearly in the uptrend in AUDUSD in weekly. So in weekly we have a rejection from the EMA though. Okay, so this week we have a rejection from the EMA. Then we go back to daily. In daily we are above the EMA. In 4 hour we are taking a pullback. Okay, so let's come back to daily first here. In daily we have been going up, and now we are taking a pullback. Okay, so are we going to enter buy? Yes, we are going to enter a buy position, but when? We have to wait for the pullback. Well, right now I can end this video. I can say trend is up, look for buy opportunities. That's it, and my video is done. Because you see here in daily we are up, in 4 hour we are also up. So my job is only to tell you take only buy opportunities, tada bye bye. That's what other people do for free. Okay, I'm not saying if somebody's charging you money, it's wrong. No, I will also charge you money in the times to come in the future. But for now, it's free, okay? But what I'm going to tell you now is something which you will not find somewhere else, probably, okay? So if you have to look for a buying opportunity in this AUDUSD, when, where, and how. So sometimes you will get the entry signal in 4 hours, sometimes you will get in daily. So right now, I'm not getting daily. We're going to go to 4 hour. In 4 hour, you can see we have been going down, okay? So take a closer look, and you can see the previous low was at 63692, okay? This was our previous low candle. Now you have to pay attention. If this red candle breaks this previous low, so right now we are at 6382, previous low was 63692, okay? If this red candle breaks this low, that means in 4 hour we will go for this low as well. And if this low is broken, then we will go for the EMA. What do you mean? What I mean is, if this candle breaks this low, then we are going for this low. And if this candle breaks this low, then we are going for this EMA touchdown, okay? So this red candle will touch down the EMA if these two low are broken, okay? Then what we'll do, that this is all pullback. This is all part of the pullback, okay? What we're gonna do, we're gonna wait for the red candle to break this, maybe. If not, in case this red candle doesn't break this low, then we will have another confirmation blue candle in 4 hour, okay, which will eat up this red candle. So there will be a blue candle which will eat up this red candle. That will be our entry signal, and then you can take 1:2 ratio. I hope you got the point, okay? I gave you the entry signal in 4 hour for free. Nobody else will do that, okay? And I will also not do that in the coming times. But yes, so one thing, sometimes you will get the signal in daily, okay? In daily, you will have a pullback, for example, you use a Fibonacci here, Fibonacci tool, and then there will be a pullback, and then there will be a blue confirmation candle as entry. Then you enter, you take 1:2 ratio, and you're good to go. But in this case, I'm telling you, how long should you wait for the pullback? First thing is that if this low is broken, that means this low will be also be taken. If this low will be taken, then this candle will touch down the EMA. And from the EMA, it will bounce back with the blue confirmation candle, which will eat the previous red candles. And that's your confirmation, okay? So am I going to enter right now? I told you not right now, but I don't know when you're watching the video. At that time, candles might be different, okay? But as of now, wait for the pullback. Let's see if this candle in 4 hour breaks this low or not. And if it breaks, then you have to wait for this low to be broken or at least touch down. And then from there, you have to wait for the blue confirmation candle and then only take your entry, okay? So yeah, if you like what you see, then subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and check out these links, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.